Kojo, you still dey work on that old car? A car no dey judge who fix am.
Is that the mechanic I told you about? The poor one? Forget him. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You don't know who I am?
Should I?
I like your confidence.
I came here to work.
This guy is looking down on you. Stop talking. Can I have your number?
No.
What? Why are you so mean to me? He rejected you? Let's go.
Kojo, your mother collapsed. Which hospital? Hi, sir. I learnt my mom is here. Calm down. Who's your mom? The woman you admitted few minutes ago. Yes, sure. She needs surgery immediately. How much? Come, follow me to the front desk. Okay, sir. 100,000 CDs. What?
What? Why is he at the hospital? What happened to him? Start the car! Kojo, what is going on?
Why are you here?
I came because I care.
I don't need pity.
This isn't pity. Kojo, I truly care and I mean it. Kojo, see? The surgery is paid for.
Please, are you doing this for a reason? You paid all this? Why? How do I pay back? I'm just a mechanic.
Kojo, who is this lady?
Someone I misunderstood. Where have you been all day?
Daddy, I was in town.
I warned you to stay away from that mechanic guy.
Daddy, you don't care about my feelings.
I told you to marry someone from your standard.
Daddy, I choose my own heart.
That guy can never be part of our family. Never!
Daddy, why? Please, Daddy, this is my happiness. Please, Daddy. I can't take this anymore.
Why do you love me?
Because money never impressed me. Come, I want to introduce you to my dad.
Hey, are you sure you are doing the right thing? Are you the young man from the mechanic shop? Yes, sir, I am the one. You can establish a better life with that. Thank you so much, sir. I will not let you down. If you love my daughter, prove yourself. I will surely prove him right. Wow, this place is amazing. Thank you, sir. I was wrong about you. I can now count on you, young man. Will you marry me?
Yes! You were ignoring me because I am rich, right?
Always remember I'll love you now and forever.